Recently, we were talking in a media where I and Madhusudan, my partner, was there, and the topic was the interviewer, the media person, was putting across one case of a sales professional who lost the job in this pandemic. And the more interestingly, the person who lost the job was a consistent performer in the organization. So the media person was saying that it is a bureaucracy, or it is a totally an arrogant way of the corporate companies. Yes, whoever is listening to the story of that person will think that the company has done completely an injustice to this gentleman. Probably it may be the case, but still, what a salesperson can do that? Is there any other option? Is it the right way of saying or blaming that company? Will it work, or will it help in any of the way? So we were talking about we were talking about this particular thing. We told that this is the problem. Complete responsibility of this incident is with the salesperson. Then majority was not agreeing with that in the beginning, because they were saying that as a sales professional, his duty was to perform well, and he did it. It is true also. He did the performance, and he got the salary hike, he got the incentives, everything. Then what else was the thing which was missing him? And it is market conditions will be changing, and at that time what he can do. Yes. So here are the 2-3 things I wanted to say you. Maybe this as a sales professional, you also may come across with this kind of a situation. So what exactly is required? What exactly is required as a sales professional? It is not only about just becoming a consistent performer. Yes, performance is one of the important thing, the most crucial thing for any salesperson. And the company wanted the performers only. I agree with that. But is it the right thing? Is it the only thing which is required? No, this is not the only thing which is required. There are, along with that, a salesperson should understand that why he is doing what he is doing. The salesperson should understand why he is doing what he is doing. Is it some way? Is it benefiting him? Okay, it is not about just crossing the budget and doing too much of surplus. Too much of surplus for what? If he is getting additional incentives, yes, definitely it is required. If he is getting a next level job promotion, yes, it is required. Otherwise, he has to control his performance. That is very, very important. People are not knowing that. That is number one. Number two, when he is growing as a sales professional, whether he is a performer or non-performer, he should be having the complete idea about why this performance is like this. He should be able to explain it at any point of time in a convincing way, like what is the exact fact of this performance, how it has become positively, or how it has a performance or non-performance. He should be able to explain it very well. Number three, as a sales professional, he has to build his brand in the market from the day one. The market should know him. The industry should know him. Now here is the thing. Majority of the people's performance, their goodwill, everything is confined inside the organization only. It should go outside the market, and he has to do some conscious efforts on that to building up his personal brand. Once the personal brand is there, even at most of the time what will happen, the person with market identity, company will have the fear of losing him. Okay, market identity in the sense the competitor should know him, the market customers, the clients should know him, the ideal market should be should be known about him. Everything comes under this branding. Okay, so this branding, once the employee is having a good level of brand identity, most of the time companies will have the fear of losing him. And even if the company is not having the fear of losing him also, the person don't want to think about losing the job. Why? Because he will be having handful of opportunities there will be there waiting for him. So every salesperson has to do this particular thing, which nobody knows. It is not about just how to become a consistent performer. It is not about that. At the same time, parallelly, the salesperson has to develop his personal brand in the market. The people should understand him. The people should know about this particular salesperson, particularly about his abilities, his success stories, everything. And he has to do that something, very consciously. And this will, make him as an irreplaceable employee in the organization. Number one, in case if the company is taking any action also, he no need to worry about anything. He has to, because network is network. This is the one particular thing which is every salesperson must understand. Okay, so I hope this video was really helpful, and I strongly recommend all of you to build your personal brand along with your performance and other things. And personal branding is totally a different subject, and you need to understand that. Thank you so much for watching this video.